Hey, I'm out here today at one of my favorite places to launch my boat on the entire chain of lakes, Ben Watts Marina. Family owned since 1954, almost 70 years. The same family been running the establishment. Located right in Fox Lake off of Route 12, full service marina. You can get your boat serviced, you can pick up stuff inside, you can pick up float toys for the kids. Anything you need for your boat, you need to pick up some fuel, spark plugs, tow ropes. This is why I love it here. It's full service. The family is always here. There's always here on the weekend somebody helping you take your boat off the trailer. Lots of parking. You can get your boat summerized. They'll get it prepped for you. Check your batteries, check all your plugs, make sure they're in. You can also get it winterized here at the end of the season. They store my boats for me. They go ahead and shrink wrap, put them in inside storage or outside storage. A little bit more for inside, but I like the security of that. Definitely safe. I've never had any problems. Always watched. Cameras everywhere. All of the boat slips have electricity and water right at them. You're gonna love it here. This has one of the best boat launch ramps that I've found on the chain of lakes. It's cement all the way, it's nice and smooth, there's no potholes, your car's not going to get stuck. Very easy, none of this technical backing around corners to launch your boat. There's 275 boat slips here available. If we move over here, we can see I've got my boat waiting right there. I love to come out here. I'm probably out 4 or 5 times a week. Ben Watts Marina is located right on Pistake Lake. The beauty of this location is you're only 10 minutes straight west, right to the mouth of the river. So if you want to get on the Fox River and drive around, go south, go to some restaurants, you can. You can go out north and you can get to Nippersink Lake, you can get to Fox Lake from here. It's actually got one of the deepest spots in the chain of lakes. If you go straight out to the center of Pistake Lake, you can find a hole that's between 20, 25 foot deep. All kinds of channels, and there's all kinds of sandbars. So if you want to park and play, anchor your boat and get out and do some swimming, just have a good time. There's some hidden coves where you can go into some of the bays and do some water skiing. There's restaurants. You can go to Famous Freddy's, you can go to Moretti's, you can go right around the corner to Dockers. You could pull in, I know kids love to pull in right into McDonald's, right over on Fox Lake, just a few minute boat ride from here. You can order on the app and they'll bring food right out to your boat. The kids love that. My favorite place to launch my boat, Ben Watts Marina in Fox Lake. Hopefully we'll see you out here.